Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Big congratulations on Tesla. 21% up yesterday. 21%. We were buying it at 141 if you followed my videos. Then it reached $260 yesterday. So massive gains. Big congratulations. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up on, turn on the bell. Bitcoin peaked at 68,800 last night and pulling back to 68,000, but still quite a big pump from 65. I was quite surprised that it pushed up so hard. There is an inverse head and shoulders forming here, so we're going to jump onto the technicals. People discussing entry points, crypto guru chat, $2.4 trillion market cap, 383,000 views, Bitcoin price.live, Bitcoin dropping a little bit. Set up these charts on your TV as well. www.bitcoinprice.live. 60k bonus with Bybit, and the World Series of Trading $10 million prize finalizes in Halloween. We're on greed 72, 54 Bitcoin dominance, funding fee positive, almost 68, still quite a big bounce, 5% bounce back or something like this on Bitcoin. We're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to show you my $700,000 trading account, which is still mainly cash. I bought Doge yesterday, $52,000, and we're going to look at technicals for Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin. Now, we're going in, and this was yesterday. I want to show you quickly on Twitter. I've got 93,000 followers on Twitter, and this was Tesla investors right now dancing because of the massive gains. Massive congratulations to you. I know how hard you packed your bags on Tesla. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations to all of you. Fishing doesn't mean to jump into the water, catch every fish here. So this is where I said adding more into Tesla here. This was exactly at $142. I bought at 141. I said adding more into Tesla here. More than 202,000 people saw this post. Did you buy a Tesla with 141? Yes, I bought. No, I didn't buy. Two different things. And Tesla, massive pump yesterday. You can see on the technicals was up 21%. 21%. Now, this is very important for Tesla in some way, in different ways. I'm going to show you. We'll go into the weekly and then I'll jump into Bitcoin. You've got this massive symmetrical triangle that builds pressure, and it's been forming for 4 years. Builds pressure, and then it breaks out the base of the triangle, which would take us all the way to $600. And you can see yesterday's pump, huge candle. Look at that. It was the biggest candle Tesla has ever had since 2013. 21% pump. And if it manages, now we're ready to break out. 70% of the move is usually when these triangles break out. So if Tesla breaks out here, target for me is $600. We were buying it at 141. As I just showed you, I posted that back on 22nd of April, 141. We are now sitting up 86% since we bought it, and we're back to that 260 mark. Let's see if Tesla manages to break through here. There is a huge inverse head and shoulders on the weekly, shoulder, head, shoulder, ready to break out. Crypto Guru bot is fired a buy on Tesla. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. But these bots, mainly Stochastic, is heading up very strong, and they smashed their earnings reports, like beautiful earnings. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin 68,000. Again, we start off on the weekly charts. First, two things, still longer term time frames, two huge bullish patterns, big cup and handle ready to break out on the weekly time frame, and massive bull flag getting ready to break out. So two huge patterns. Stochastic though is very overbought. I don't like to buy things when the stochastic is up here. That's usually the time for me to sell. I like to buy them down here when it's time to buy it. Like down here, you can see on the charts, like down here, when the stochastic is oversold, time to buy. When it's overbought like this, not so beautiful, time to buy. But it is heading up. Squeeze mob is going green. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023 at 20k. Still a blue buy now at 60k. You get it in the jamescryptoguru.com, the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy last week and did not yet fire a sell. Stochastic heading up, and we've got this big rising ascending triangle forming. Usually these build pressure and break to the upside, the base of the triangle, which will take us to 88k. Let's go into the daily. But again, on the weekly, the stochastic is overbought, and same on the daily. So again, as I teach you in the master course, this is the main indicator that I use, the stochastic. And you can see here, when it's overbought, time to sell. When it's oversold, like here, time to buy. Same here. When it was overbought, time to sell. When it was oversold, time to buy at 52K. You see it? Here, time to buy, time to sell, it was at 65K. And this is what I've been doing, actually. If you look at my charts, like my buying and selling over on Bybit, my Bybit account is 711,000. We got a bit of a pump yesterday. On the week, 729 was my peak, and now we're at 711. On the month, 739 to 643. On the 90 days, from 530 to 730. And this is my Bitcoin trades, and you can see that I've been matching what I showed you about those buying, selling the peaks. You can see it more clearly here. This is when I sold Bitcoin at 62, bought it at 52, sold it at 62, bought it at 59, sold it at 67, and my trades have been amazing on Bitcoin. If you look at the trade history, I show you these because they're just incredible. The last trades are 26K profit, 23K profit. This is real dollars, 27K, 22K, minus 6K, plus 12K. So my trades have been on fire. So that's what I usually mean when I try to sell Bitcoin at those stochastic peaks. But again, rising triangle clearly visible. But I would still take these two trades. We got a big bounce back yesterday. We are at heavy resistance. We got a bounce back at 65, but I still try to take the trade at 63. The money is made when you buy. So if I buy it now, to be honest, I would move it, both of these. What am I seeing? I'm seeing a rising wedge now, actually. Let's get rid of some of this, clear it up a little bit. I see a little bit of a rising wedge. Everyone see it on the daily? Who sees the rising wedge? Okay, now I'm going to draw it for you. If you didn't see it, you need to take my crypto masterclass, stock room masterclass. Rising wedge here forming on Bitcoin, and everyone was going super bullish. What does that mean? If Bitcoin drops, why would Bitcoin drop going into the election? That's the question. It must be war escalation, to be honest. That's what makes sense to me. There's going to be some kind of big war escalation. Because rising wedge, everyone see it? Rising wedges, as I teach you in the crypto masterclass, build pressure and they break down. And it will break down the base of the head. So target of this rising wedge breakdown would be 52K. So something is going to happen. I don't know what it is, everyone. I sold my Bitcoin. Something looks like it's going to happen on Bitcoin to send it down to 53K. So I would set two trades. There's going to be a very strong bounce at 59K if it does come down there. And there's a very strong support here at 62K. These are the three areas where I would want to buy. These green lines. So let's see if you can, at 62, 59, and 53, these would be my buy areas for bounces on Bitcoin. But if this rising wedge plays out, very dangerous pattern actually for right now. Bitcoin should have broken out. To have this rising wedge forming, a little bit dangerous. So I would try to take it at 53. I don't know what the news is going to be. Maybe some very bad news is about to come out. Some escalation war maybe with Israel, Iran. Something looks like there's a rising wedge forming. Then I would take it to the 88K after the drop, and then I'll see how it goes. But this is the trade I'll take. Open at 53. I'll put it down to here where it spiked down the last time. There. Opening at 53,400, stop loss 51,700, take profit 88K, risk toward 21 times, risking 1,600 per Bitcoin to make 36,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage would be 360,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I know it doesn't look good. I know it seems weird, but that's what I would do, to be honest. I'm going to change my trades over on Bybit. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video, you can sign up to Bybit. You get a 60K bonus, and they have a $10 million prize pool until the end of October with Halloween. James Crypto Guru for the courses, and join us in Telegram. And CoinW has a promotion as well. Bybit gives 60K bonus as well. So I'm going to set my trades over on Bybit. I have trades set up 63K. I've got 5 Bitcoin trade and 10 Bitcoin trade at 59K. 63K, I've got that trade. I'll just get that for a bounce, so I won't make it so strong because I think that rising wedge is dangerous. So I'll just catch this for a bounce, and I'll take off the stop loss. It's the take profits, because take profit and stop loss. I want to catch it just for the bounce on 63K. 63K wouldn't be the place to go heavy long. It's for me to take a bounce off this drop. And if it does bounce, it would bounce back to 60, 65. So I'll take profit at 65K here. It's just a short-term trade. And my stop loss would be very tight. My stop loss I would put, after 63, I would put the stop loss at 61,500. But to be honest, I think it's going to drop. I'm going to cancel both these trades and I'm going to make one big trade. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This is my trades and what I think. But I'm going to try to take it to 53,400 and just do a big one. 53,400, 20 Bitcoin. Let's see. 20 Bitcoin will be a $1 million trade. 20 Bitcoin at 53,400. I don't know if we get down that low. It's just my technicals. So don't blame me. 20 Bitcoin, 53,400. And my spot buys, I'm going to cancel these because I don't know what happens to the alts if Bitcoin does actually drop like this. What's going to cause this drop? What news could come out? And you see I've got 711,000 in cash, sorry, in this account from 150K when I started trading. I've also withdrawn 300K. I've got 84K MCRT, up 4.7%, 888. Amazing. I'm a seed investor in MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence. Everyone consult your brokers, etc. Doge, I bought 50K yesterday, down 1 point something percent. I need to check if that's a good hold. I bought 30K of Uniswap, which is about the same about 3 days ago. I posted it on X. You need to follow me on X to see my trades when I'm not making videos, everyone. JamesCryptoGuru.com. JamesCryptoGuru.com. You can go to the X, and at this one on X, 93,000 followers. Now let's go into Doge to see what could be the cause of dropping Bitcoin so massively. What can happen? Let's see if Doge is going to be, if there's any patterns forming on Doge. On the weekly, Doge is overbought as well. Let's clear up all the charts. I'm going to just fresh eyes to see if I'm going to see something. Okay, on weekly, we've got a W formation, bit rising. Stochastic is overbought. On the daily, we're rising. There is a bit of a pattern forming. It's just a channel. Doge is on a channel. Looks like it can also come down to here, huh? 11 cents. What could cause it to drop? Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. Why am I seeing these potentials for a big drop? On the 4-hour, that looks like a bull flag on Doge. Pole and flag. See it? And it usually will go the distance of the pole. This distance here. So I'm going to keep Doge open because on the 4-hourly, it looks bullish. On this bull flag, target of this bull flag would be 17 cents. So I'll leave my Doge open. And this is quite a bull flag forming here. So if I were to take a trade, I would take it from that dip area like that and then take profit there. That's the trade I would try to open on Doge on some kind of little bit of a pullback. 13.4, stop loss 13.2, take profit 17, risk toward 18 times. Why would Doge pump? Let's go see if we can see total market cap, 2.2 trillion. Why would Doge pump? Yeah, look, insane in the total market cap. It's forming a big, looks like a bull flag. Looks also inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. Wait, here, shoulder, head, shoulder, looks good. But for me, I'm seeing that the stochastics are overbought on the weekly, turning down. And there's a symmetrical triangle here. If this was to break up, it's this distance. So if it breaks out of this triangle to the upside, total market cap can go to 3 trillion. But if it breaks down to the downside, total market cap can come back to this yellow main trend line where we've been on all year. This is the main trend line for crypto going back to all the way to 2022 July. Well, it looks like it can, huh? Danger. I don't know what. I think I should reduce my Doge position, but Doge looks bull flaggy on the shorter term time frames. Very curious. Why would we break down? Stochastic also overbought. I'm going to reduce my positions a little bit on my alts. MCRT I won't. It's because I'm going to keep buying more. It didn't much move up. Doge quite pumped. I just bought 50K of it. And it does look like there's a little bull flag. Maybe it pumps a little bit. Okay, I'll keep... should I reduce it? Let me know in the comment section what you think based off my technicals, based off watching. I'll keep these two open. Let's check out Uniswap. Uniswap down here. Uniswap, where is it? Uniswap. Goat is up 4%. Goat, by the way, since I bought it, since I said it on Twitter, it's up. It doesn't show on the charts. It's too new, but it's up a lot. I'll leave it at that, everyone. I want to read your comments. Can you do uni and why you bought back after selling prior? Because after it dropped a little bit. I was bugged by too many spam under your comment section in a few minutes. How did you delete to manage that? I just go like this and go hide from channel anyone that spams. James, how much bingo are you doing? 0. I never like gambling. Brother, we are never informed about here on GOAT. I posted it on Twitter, guys. You have to follow me on all the socials. You can see here, 6 days ago, when I read about the AI that launched its own memcoin and religion, I immediately aped in. That was GOAT from Arthur Hayes. When I saw this post, I was like, I saw this post, wanted to buy it yesterday, but went to sleep. Guru Ventures bought GOAT at 35 cents. And now GOAT reached a high of, Tesla was up 21%. GOAT reached a high of, something big is coming from Magicraft. Everyone check out this. Great. The team is just constantly building. Muxit, the CEO, is incredible. You can follow him over on X. Muxit, CEO and head of legal, Magicraft Game, pioneering the future of Web3 gaming, lawyer and cryptocurrency Web3 industry. It's amazing what they're building, everyone. The dawn of gaming excellence. And it's just cool what they're building. Amazing, amazing. This is awesome. And GOAT yesterday reached 78 cents, so more than 100% up. I'll leave it at that, everyone. Below, under the links, join us in the Telegram, jamescryptoguru.com. Take the courses. And you can just see people that have taken courses. Nostradamus, this guy made 1.4 million. This guy made $14,000 in our Telegram. You can just see people's gains. These guys, all their gains. People were saying I'm picking the same images to read. So, okay, blessed are you, bro. We are also blessed to have you. You are one motivated champ. So pumped to have all the abundance. I'm lucky to have you, bro. Cheese. You are really the man. Thank you for the lessons. You're the best with all the energy. Thank you, Finn. And you can just see everyone's comments and gains from people and some of their gains here. And $8,000, 3,000%. I love Doge. 8,765K, 163K, 10K. Because people were saying I was showing the same comments. It's just I saved them all in my favorites, so I kind of just read the same ones all the time. But you can see all the gains from everyone over the years, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market, everyone, and I'm watching it very closely. Also, join us in the Telegram. There's right now in the Telegram 121 of you online. Join us in the Telegram. Why is the market dump? I saw the market dumping. Let's see, but it does look not so beautiful, the technicals on Bitcoin, which is interesting. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I'm going to watch it closely. I'm ready to get out of everything. I think Doge looks pumpy, but Bitcoin looks dangerous. It looks like something is going to happen that could push us to 52. So I'm going to watch it very closely. The only thing that could do that is either Donald Trump losing or a massive war breaking out, which is interesting. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.